please subscribe.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dave. I speak stocks. Today is Wednesday, June 10th. And I just want to jump into today's play, okay? Lake. L-A-K-E. Anybody took advantage of the downtrend with the energy sector? You know, it's funny, when it's rising high, everybody wants to jump in. And as soon as you get the opportunity, you get the sale price, everybody shuns the stock. You watch money in the market. Everybody posting their gains. As soon as you enter, you go in to grab the money out the market. Boom. The money eludes you. And you give up. You got to keep at it. Have your strategy and keep at it. Something is not doing good, try a different strategy, okay? Don't give up. This is a numbers game. The more you do, the better you become, all right? And you'll connect the right way. You only need to connect once in your lifetime, the right way, all right? When you lose, you want to lose small. And when you got something, you want to get it big. So you want to ride the winners, ride the momentum. You're in a downtrend, get out. All right, we want to live to trade for tomorrow. Okay, today's play of the day. Lake, what did I say, is the greatest catalyst that propels a stock? Anybody recalls? Earnings. Earnings is the biggest mover for a stock. Earnings. Lake beat earnings. Okay, revenue was up 85%. All right, they sell protective gear. And with the big C epic pandemic, they blew up the numbers. All right, and even when the epidemic recedes, all right, they already have enough cash to venture into something else. Cash is king. Okay, all right, so their gross margin was up 50%.
Please hammer that like.
Net income this quarter, 8.6 million compared to a loss of $500,000 last quarter. So from a loss to a gain of 8.6, almost 9 million in income, okay? They're up 45% in the pre at $23.20. Okay, if it drops below 20, you might want to start a position. I think it might pull back to 19. Let's see. All right, start a position in the teens and see what happens. Set your stop loss 10-15% below your buy point. All right, the 52-week high was $28. That's the next key level to watch. If this thing breaks 28, more buyers, more traders will be piling in, okay? And from 30, it'll hit 40 real fast, believe me. Trust me. Notice some of these stocks, as soon as they hit, for example, a key level of $100, watch how fast it propels to 200. It's harder to go from $1 to $2, all right? But not because the stock is high, you think, oh, it's $100, I can't make any money. Yeah, you'd be surprised, all right? These stock moves faster from 100 to 200, all right? So the play of the day, LAKE, all right? Up big in the pre. Please like, please share. I'll be back later on in the duration of my video with Dave's bonus play, okay? Stay tuned. Just want to say congratulations to all who followed my play VRML. I recommended that stock on May 5th when I noticed it flirting with 2. I got in at around $1.88. And I saw that 2 was a huge resistance, so I sent out an alert saying watch it over 205. It based at 205, 220, linger, and then it popped up to 3, and the rest is history. And they're also making news today. VRML, they were inducted into the Russell. Okay, so pay attention. I'm going to link that video inside of the comments. All right, VRML. Please like. So it's 6:55 a.m. The Dow is flat. It was up as high as 0.5%. So it might be a green day today. All right, let's see. All right, so let's kick the tires on Lake. Let me check some fundamentals. This might be one you want to hold for the long term. Lake. Okay, so they're up 42% right now. Okay, at 22. They might pull back. They might pull back below 20. Okay, that's your opportunity to start a position. Always start small and add when you're making money. You want to size in. All right, you want to maximize those winners. All right, so this is Yahoo Finance. You put your ticker symbol up in the search, LAKE. You go to, so the summary will give you the news and all that. Okay. Right, they got some good first quarter results. You could check that out on your own time. All right, so let me go into statistics. Okay, so they have 118 million for the market cap. All right. Let's see the 52-week change. 11%, up 11%. Okay. 200-day moving average, 1370. This is a key indicator, folks. 200-day moving average. A lot of eyes on that number. All right, so it broke out of that and it's at 20 now. All right, please like. LAKE. All right, so the float is a tiny 6 million. Okay, percentage held by insiders 4.66. Okay, so there were 2 10-baggers yesterday. Absolutely, 2 10-baggers. Absolutely amazing. All right, 10-baggers are stocks that jumps 1,000%. And I'm not talking options. I'm talking the price of the stock. All right. The first one was IMRN, went from $6 to $29. Well, between the low of the day and the high of the day. All right. Next one was DUO. Went from 10 to 100. Absolutely spectacular. These kind of moves you get once every other year if you're lucky. And 2 of them came in one day. Okay. And you may ask, okay, so where were you? Where were you? Where was your alert? I was sleeping. I was sleeping most of the afternoon, most of the day. Alright, because I wake up early, make these videos. I appreciate if you hit a like, do my research, check the charts, and come up with the best play possible. I try to come up with 2 plays a day, 2-3 plays, because I can't focus in 20 stocks. Okay, I can't focus. I gotta find 2 or 3 and focus like a laser beam. Alright, so I'm really disappointed that I miss out DUO and IMRN. But what you guys could do, you could always check Finviz for the percentage gainers, and you do your own little due diligence from there. Okay. All right, guys, good luck to you. Make your next trade your best trade. Another thing I like to look at for long-term plays is the quarterly revenue growth. They're growing double digits. All right, Lake, very nice looking numbers. Profit margin 3%, operating margin 5%. No negative, there's a lot of positive going on here. Revenue 107 million. Gross profit 38 million. Very nice numbers. LAKE. This one is for the long term, guys. Thank you for sticking around towards the end of my video. Today's bonus play is no other than TEUM. TEUM, they came out with news regarding financing. All right, so they're going to be getting some financing. Stock is up 49% in the pre. All right, at $1.04. They haven't closed above 99 cents since last year. So that's a key level to watch. $1. Let's see if they could hold. The float is 105 million. Another thing that caught my attention was the short interest in the stock. So of that 105 million, 22% of the float is short. So folks might be scrambling this morning when they wake up, okay? The 6% insiders, institution 33%, all right? They have 33 million in cash, plus they're gonna be getting some more. All right, they have a huge debt of 25 million, but the current ratio is 1:20, 1 being par. I like anything over 2. I like companies with a little cash cushion, okay? But current ratio of 1:20 wasn't bad. It's not bad even before the financing. So that shows me their finances will be okay for the next 6 months before the new financing. All right, so that shows me they won't be going bankrupt right now. All right, bonus play TEUM. You could start a position under $1, or if it pops over 110, you could ride the momentum. Go in at 110 and ride the momentum. All right, this stock has a propensity to skyrocket. Okay, pay attention. TEUM, bonus play today. Okay, TEUM. Let's see what's going on here. So they closed at 69 cents at 5.5%, but in the pre, they're up 56%. Okay, at $1.09. So let's see if it pops over 110. All right, you could join the bandwagon on this one. I think they came out with some news. Yeah, financing news. Let me scroll up. Okay, it doesn't want to scroll up. All right, let's go into statistics. Oh, now it decides to move. So they secured 7.5 million in financing, okay? So they're thinking long term, they're thinking for the future. TEUM, pay attention. It might run today, okay? Okay, this iPad froze on me. Wow, look at TEUM, already popping over 110. All right, so this is Yahoo Finance. We go into statistics. Just gonna compare and contrast the numbers between Lake, which is a better long-term play, than TEUM, which is a speculative play. You don't like to hold these long-term, but just get the money in a run, all right? Just gonna show you the difference with the numbers. All right, so you see in Lake, everything here was positive, right? And in TEUM, you see a lot of negative. All right, so just show you the difference with the fundamentals. You see that 52-week change, they're down 75% compared to Lake, which they were, I think they were up 15% for the year. All right, this is TEUM. Just a quick look at the numbers. This is not something to hold long term. In and out. If you make money, you know, set your take your profits. And if it drop below your buy price, 10-15%, get out. You could do a mental stop or a physical stop. Percentage held by insiders, a measly 5%. Okay. Short percent of float, 17.76%. Total cash, a measly 3 million, but they had some financing news, so that's gonna change. All right. Debt, 25.8 million. Current ratio, 1.17, but on FinViz it shows 1.20. All right. TEUM making strides in the pre. Watch this one. Start a position in this one. Okay. Trade well, guys. Make your next trade the best trade. So this is interesting. This is what caught my attention. Percentage short, 19.8, almost 20% of that float is a short position. All right. So you might find some spikeability today. Let's see what happens. All right. Current ratio is a high 6.17. Total debt 3 million. Total cash 15 million. All right. Do remember, if you wish to open a Webull account, link inside the description. You'll get 2 free stocks. Okay, with a deposit of $100. All right. Microsoft, I got that stock from Robinhood. They've notched out.